welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damke and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make stir-fried rice. Yes guys, so what you will need is chicken strips. I've already boiled this chicken and stripped it, and we're going to need our veggies. We have this and that. Obviously you're going to need our rice. I've already boiled it guys for you, and just any spices of your choice. This is what I like to use for my stir-fried rice. So guys, to start off this dish, we're going to first fry in our chicken. We're going to pour it in here. I've already melted the butter and a little bit of oil, right? So I'm going to just drop this in. So this is going to fry for just a few minutes. Guys. See? There we have it, our chicken strips in there. So I'm going to fry this for a few minutes, like I said. And so guys, as this is cooking, I'm going to be adding in some of the spices in here, in this sauce, kind of. Yeah, see? I'm just going to add this here, just a little bit in there, and some garlic. This is garlic flakes, okay? I put garlic in everything I cook, guys, like whether it's meat or what, I just like garlic. This also has garlic, rosemary and garlic. So we're just going to cook this. Make sure it doesn't stick on the pot, because if it sticks, then it defeats the whole purpose. Yeah, guys, it already smells so good in here, so yay. Yeah guys, so this is how it looks like now. So I'm just going to let it fry for 2 more minutes, and then I'll remove it off the pot to fry my vegetables. Yeah, so now I'm going to have to remove this chicken from the pot and start cooking the vegetables. So yeah, just put it in another bowl. See, this is how it looks like now, guys. So I'm just going to put it all in here, and use the same pot to fry your vegetables. Yes guys, it smells so good. I'm just going to add in just a little bit of oil, and add these vegetables first. Yay! Inside. Yes, smells so good. So we're going to close this for a minute. Yeah, just a minute, and then wait for it to cook, and then we add these vegetables. Okay, see them guys, these ones. Yeah, so yeah, keep on stirring and use medium heat. I promise you guys, stir-fried rice is the thing. If you don't know what to make for lunch or dinner, this is one of the easiest things you can ever make for your family or for yourself. I mean, yeah. So now we add in these other vegetables, yeah, into the pot, okay? So after you've added this in, we're going to take our spices and just throw them in there. So we're going to again take the same, well, I have curry powder here, so I'm going to use this. It's quite chilly. And then just a little bit of those again, the ones that we added before. A little bit of salt. And this as well. Now I'm going to add back the chicken, right? So yeah guys, let's do this. The chicken is back to the pot. Yeah. So this is when I have to like reduce the heat because it can easily burn. Yeah. But before I do that, I'm going to add in just a little bit of turmeric powder to make it yellowish. Just a little bit. Okay. But if you're not comfortable with turmeric, it's still fine. I'm just going to add in a little bit of this. Okay. Turmeric powder. Yep. That's that, and water as well. I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Guys, I promise you this smells so good. Oh my word, guys, look at this. Just a little bit of water. Okay. Yeah guys, this is how it looks like. So I'm about to add in the rice, but before I do that, I'm going to add in a little bit of this again. Yeah, so this is what I'll just do, just a few droplets, and then I'm going to take my rice bit by bit and I'll be adding it into the pot. Okay. So you need to be very careful not to add in too much rice because it will just ruin the whole flavor, or it's going to be too dry. See? So this should do. This much rice should do. And guys, we're going to give it a good stir. Look at that. Yo, guys. See? So this is how your rice is going to look after you've added in everything else. Remember guys, you're doing this at very low heat, okay? Very, very low heat, because the rice is going to stick on the pot and you don't want that to happen. So yeah. So before I close this, I'm going to add in water. How much water you need to put in the pot and close this so that it cooks on its own, right? So let's just do this guys. See that? And we're going to close this and wait for the water to finish, you know, yeah. So let me close this up and I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's done. So guys, the rice is ready and I'm going to just plate it here. See how it looks like, okay? So that you guys see what a stir-fried rice should look like, okay? Okay, with pride outside. Looks like right now. You guys can use anything else, so I just did this to show you guys a sample. So this is my rice, it's ready to be eaten. So yeah guys, anyways guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.